You took the prostate box. Talk about it.
It was amazing. It really was. The difference was just noticeable. It wasn't no delay. It really, within that time period of me taking it, it was a night and day difference.
How long ago did you take it?
I took it probably about 2 months ago. I want to say 2 months ago. I'm telling you. A matter of fact, I referred a couple people to you. But I know for myself that it's a noticeable night and day. It's like I'm back. It's like I'm back 20. I'm
Wow.
52. It's like I'm back in my 20s. Yeah, I just felt that's why I recommended you guys to a couple people. I usually don't hand out recommendations like that. But I said, man, this thing really works. No, the CKLS,
Yes,
that
yes,
one,
yes,
that stuff is amazing.
yes,
That right
yes,
there is what started it all. Because
yes.
it just cleaned you out. And I was like, wow, it just brought me back to my childhood.
Wow.
With that whole when your mother give you the Cersei
Hmm.
and all of that to drink. I
Yes.
was like, okay, okay, yeah, y'all doing something over there, so it's something good.
So how old are you?
52.
All right. So your wife is happy?
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, she's not happy. You know why she's not happy? Because I keep pestering her about something. I keep asking her for something. You know what that? You know what I mean?
Before our herbs, you didn't pester her that much.
You know what? I just you feel tired because number one, you're going to the bathroom constantly
Hmm.
at night. You go to the bathroom constantly at night, and it's like I'm tired. I'll just wait. Now I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
And she's like, what's happening? What the heck is going on?"
Yeah, yeah. As a matter of fact, I was talking to this guy and his wife. You take that, she's gonna be looking at you like, can't you just wait a couple? Just leave me alone, please. He's telling you. So he's excited about it. As a matter of fact, he ordered it right then and there. I said, man, I'm telling you, this thing works. Because I was getting scared, to be honest. I really don't want to deal with the Western medicine. I'd
Yeah.
rather deal with a herbalist, stuff like that. I said, I really don't want to deal with them and their crazy. And I'm glad I found you guys, and I see what is
Yes.
that? Just the
Results.
the difference. There's
Yeah.
a total difference.
Yes.
Get yours today at jamaicahealthbox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@jamaicahealthbox.com.